Hello, hello, hello. I'm Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew. Welcome. So today I've got a little bit of a different tutorial from what I normally show you, but I wanted to share with you how I search for a pattern whenever I am looking for a pattern to make. So my starting point is always thefoldline.com. So the Foldline website is absolutely great because it is a database of not only commercial patterns, but also independent pattern designers, and they're all on one website together. So it makes it really easy to search. And they have lots of different search terms. So you can search under new patterns, women's, men's, children, accessories, magazines, envelopes, and sewing gifts, I guess. I've never done those ones, but you can search on a lot of different things. So let's say we're looking for, let's say we want a jacket, a women's jacket. So we can come on here and we can search. So we're searching women's jacket. We can style of jacket. So let's say I want a bomber jacket or a hooded jacket. Let's say we want to look for a hooded jacket. So from there, we can click on here if we've got a specific designer we're searching for. I'm not. A size that we're searching for, if you leave that blank, it will search everything. A particular type of fabric, if you have a fabric specification, and the sewing level, whether you're intermediate, confident beginner, or advanced. So let's go intermediate. You can search if you want paper patterns, PDF, or either if you're not fussed, commercial, independent, or either. When I'm searching for my sew-along projects, I like to choose and support independent pattern designers. Very often the designers will also give us a discount within the Love and Stitches Club so that my members can take advantage of a discount for the specific pattern designers. And you can opt if you only want to see in-stock patterns or whether you want everything. So then you can scroll down and you can see all the options here. So we've got these ones here, we've got fibre mood and all these different options. So what I would do if I've then selected something that I like the look of, for example, let's select this Sarah jacket by Pauline Alice. It looks like a nice sort of Anoraki jacket. You can then select that. It's out of stock from the fold line. But what I then do, I was go and search for Pauline Alice patterns and then find the designer's website directly and order from there. So if I wanted to do that, I could do. So let's go back and search for something different. So let's say we're looking for a trouser pattern. And we've got lots of search parameters again. So trousers and shorts style. Let's go. We want a crop trouser. Then wide-legged, pockets, elasticated waist. You've got all these different search parameters that you can narrow it down to. So I'm going to go tapered. Designer, I don't mind. Let's go with everything. Size, again, I don't mind. Fabric, I don't mind. Sewing level, also, I'm open. So we'll just have a look here. PDF or paper, gone with it, either. Designers, either. And you can come down and you can see this. So you've got a nice selection of Vogue ones to start with, and then you come down and find other patterns. What I'm going to do now is take you to the website that I would usually use to purchase commercial patterns from. So I have found one particular website to be the most easy to shop from, the best customer service, the most reliable, and that is jcots.co.uk. So we go to jcots and we'll type in, I forgot the number, Vogue 1, so V1829. And we can search for the pattern on here. Bring up the pattern, select the size range you want, and then add to cart. So let's go back and have a look on here at, let's go activewear. So I want to make a pair of tracksuit bottoms. Designer, don't mind. Size, don't mind. Fabric, I want jersey. Sewing level, I want something beginnerish, so confident beginner, and I only want independent designers. So we found 5 patterns here. So let's go with the Closet Core Patterns Plateau Joggers. They're in stock here from the fold line, or you can go directly to the Closet Core website, patterns. We can search all the sewing patterns here. So we're looking for bottoms, and there we go, the plateau jogger pattern. And you can order it PDF or print, but if you were to order a PDF version, in a size range in English, and add that to cart, you could then pay for it, order the pattern, and then the pattern printing service that I like to use, and this is one of the reasons a lot of people are unsure about ordering patterns, is that they're not PDF patterns, is that they're not sure about the whole printing issue and getting the patterns printed. So the pattern printing service I use in the UK is called Fabuloso, fabuloso.co.uk, and on here you can just print your pattern and upload the pattern files onto the website here. They will even do these lovely little pattern storage envelopes. You can even get your instructions printed out if you don't have a printer at home. And it's just £2.15 for every a naught sheet. And you just need to, you can browse your device, or you can upload, you can drag and drop your files into this box here. And that will go through their process, and you can print out these patterns. So they are absolutely fabulous service from Fabuloso, highly recommended. They print on lovely tissue, but it's not too flimsy. You don't feel like it's gonna disintegrate if you pinned it a few times, used it a few times. They are good quality tissue. And the delivery charges are not too bad either. So highly recommend Fabuloso. So that is my process. I hope that helps make it easier for you to search for patterns if you're searching online. You can use this and basically put in whatever search parameters you want into the drop downs, and it will bring out some options for you to look at. So yes, I hope this helps you when you're searching for patterns. If you've got something in your head that you want to get out there into the world, you want to make in real life, something you've seen a style on in a shop or ready to wear style that you want to make yourself, the fold line is your starting point. And then once you've sort of selected a pattern, you've got an idea for which pattern you want to use. What I also do then is I go to Instagram and I have a look on Instagram. So to see if I can find other sewists who've got a similar body shape to mine who have made that pattern. It just helps you to envisage what it's actually going to look like. So Instagram is a good place to look as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like and hit subscribe to get more great Learn to Sew content that'll help to make you a better dressmaker and confidently make clothes that get you compliments.